Vivo is set to launch its X200 series phone on October 14th in China. We are expecting 3 smartphones in the line: the Vivo X200, X200 Pro Mini, and X200 Pro. The design renders of all 3 phones have already surfaced. Now let's talk about the X200 Ultra. In a post on the Chinese social media platform Weibo, tipster digital chat station states that Vivo X200 Ultra will run on Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. It features a quad rear camera unit comprising a 200-megapixel periscope lens, a 50-megapixel selfie camera. It features a 6.78-inch 2K E7 LTPO AMOLED display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate. It houses a 6000 mAh battery with 80W wired fast charging support and 30W wireless charging support. Vivo X200 Ultra likely cost around 5,500 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.